Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this pop-up enclosure that can hold easily 4 people, all the dimensions, how easy is it to pop up and down, and from a travel standpoint, this is the company right here. And this kind of folds up into a ring I'll share shortly, and then it fits in here nice and neat in this round, not even 3 feet by 3 feet kind of cylinder that can easily be transported. What all comes with it? So you have the actual, we're gonna call it the pop-up tent. It does have an optional roof on it to keep you in the shade. This all pops up within seconds. It does come with 1, 2, 3, 4 weighted options. So let's just say if you were at the beach or whatever, you wanted to kind of fill it with sand, has tie downs. If you want to go that route, it also comes with these metal stakes. So if you're on like a grass environment and you want to stick these in the ground, it does also come with the rope, has all the tie downs necessary all the way around. Walking around, this is the front. Everything can be zipped up. So let's just say there's bugs, there's mosquitoes, there's whatever it is, and you're trying to, or if it's raining and you want to kind of keep the water out. So this zipper is double-sided. It's on the inside and out and go all the way around. And the cool part is that it has vents on the side. So if you wanted to get a breeze to come in, you have the option of doing that. These all fold up all nice and neat. And then to keep a nice breeze in and to keep bugs out, you have a optional net option that can be opened inside and out. This is on both sides. Another cool call out to this design is that it's 360. So if you're inside, you can see all the way around you. So if you're watching a sporting event or anything, you can see easily all the way around. Or if you just want to keep an eye on whoever, you have the option of doing that. From a height standpoint, you're almost probably about 5.5 feet tall right to the center. You're 5 feet, roughly 5 feet wide by 5 feet deep. It is kind of square on the bottom. If this was in a outdoor situation where you didn't want to get your feet sandy or dirty or whatever, the bottom is a waterproof type material. This top is optional. So if you wanted to get some sun and didn't care about the sun coming in, this can be taken off completely. The front door can be left open for easy access. And it can also roll up. So you have some convenient roll up options here right on the front. When standing inside, about 5.5 foot right in the top, easily can sit 4 like beach chairs or whatever side by side. If 2 people wanted to use it, plenty of room. Again, you're looking at roughly 5 by 5, so about 25 square feet of usable area on the inside. And this is a plastic material, so if rain was a concern or anything like that, you don't have to worry about getting wet. So after you take it out of the travel case, it's pretty simple to put up. It kind of is like folded up, sort of like in a ring. You just kind of undo it, and then it pops open. And you just pull it apart. And there you go. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us how easy it is to put together. Does it do what we know it does? Does it keep the water off you? Does it keep the sun off you? Will it keep the bugs off you? And does it hold enough people, with it being about 25 square feet inside? Hopefully I answered any and all questions you might have. I'll talk to you soon.